back to the storm. This dust is picking up again. Maybe it's a hurricane, but we don't have hurricanes here. And it's warm out because I've got my bare feet. It's just eerie, very eerie. Up above, it's clear sky, but right above the treetop level, it's just very strange. Usually there's nothing like this here. You can hear the dogs barking. Maybe there'll be an earthquake or something. Just absolutely strange. There's a car down there, and you can see its lights. And it's all dusty. There's a pedestrian. I hope this doesn't get worse. Step over here, out of the way. The new Hondas are in early this year. I want to put this on YouTube because it's just plain weird. It's starting to get colder now. Dogs are barking, and we don't have dust storms like this at all here. This reminds me of the one we had a few years ago on January 1st, where we had 80-mile-an-hour winds, and it looked like the apocalypse. The apocalypse now. I'm going to post this. Someone's took it on my back bulb net. Wrecked it, bastards. Okay, we're signing off, and hopefully tomorrow, or hopefully it won't get any worse. But who knows? The wind's picking up. Blowing straight at me. It's almost like a calm before a hell of a storm. All right, I'm signing off, and hopefully it'll get better.